Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Brina. Today I'm going to be doing a BoxyLuxe unboxing. It's been a minute since I've done anything BoxyCharm related on this channel, and I got my BoxyLuxe in the mail yesterday, so I decided that I would film a unboxing and my first impressions of all the products I got in the June BoxyLuxe. So if you're interested in purchasing BoxyLuxe or seeing the products that I got in my box this month, keep on watching. So I have not opened this box yet to do it on camera so you can get my genuine first impressions of everything in this box. So here we go. Pretty much everything I was hoping not to get. Also, I'm a little hangry, so I'm gonna be a lot more judgmental about this box. Bear with me. So I got the Kylie Skin Foaming Face Wash and the $1 Billion Brow Charcoal Brush Set. Bristles infused with charcoal for an antimicrobial effect. 5 brushes. I mean, this, I was kind of hoping for the brushes, but pretty much everything else in this box I was not really wanting to get. Also, please excuse my bangs today. They are not cooperating, so we're just gonna pretend like they look good. So the brush set comes with 1 contour brush, 1 powder brush, an eyeshadow brush. It's pretty vague on what that does. A concealer brush and a highlighter brush, although that's pretty tiny for highlighter, and I would probably use this one to blend out the crease of my eyeshadow crease, whatever, you know what I mean. I got essential oils because I totally got a beauty subscription box, a makeup subscription box, not even a beauty subscription box, so I could get essential oils. Guys, I'm seriously this close. I really think after I film this video, I'm going to go and cancel my Luxe, because every time there's a Luxe box anymore, the regular box is 10 times better than the Luxe box. Why? I'm paying an extra $25 for a bunch of beauty crap that I don't want. I want makeup. I've changed my preferences so many times on BoxyCharm to now I have that I never want to get skincare. And yet I have 3 skincare products and essential oils. I don't understand it. So let's just move on, I guess. I got the Malin and Goats, I have no idea if I'm pronouncing that correctly, Recovery Treatment Oil, Tula Skincare Glow and Get It Cooling and Brightening Eye Balm. Oh, finally some makeup. We got 3 more things in here. I got the Purlisse, I think is how you say that, Perfect Glow BB Cream. Cool. I don't really like BB creams, but it's good for summer, I guess. And I got the Bodyography Professional Cosmetics Lip Pencil 2-pack, but no lipstick or anything to go with it. So I got the shades Pouty and Rosewood. And the final item I got is the Artist Pro eyeshadow palette, which, like, honestly, kind of getting sick of these. Like, I love Tarte products as much as the next person, but this is like I don't even know how many Tarte palettes I've gotten in my 1.5 years of having BoxyCharm. So obviously can't use this because I'm not going to go wash my face on camera. So I might just go ahead and throw this in my giveaway pile. We'll see. I haven't quite decided yet what I want to do with this, but obviously I'm not going to be using it today. And honestly, probably the same thing with this. I have plenty of essential oils that I already don't use. Whoa, this is interesting. It says to apply around the eye area for instant cooling and glow. Use under and over makeup as needed throughout the day for an instant pick-me-up. Okay, this is actually kind of intriguing. I might actually like this product. So I guess we're just gonna start with this. It doesn't really have any, like, exact instructions on how to use it, and I'm really not sure how this works. Oh, it like twists. Okay. So we'll give this a try. Feels pretty good so far. Okay, I'm not super mad about this product. Honestly, the only skincare products I actually enjoy getting from BoxyCharm are usually the eye products, the eye creams, that sort of thing. It does dry down pretty fast, so me sitting here talking, it is not really budging anymore. And I'm not at all noticing a difference in my fine lines or anything, so it's not an instantaneous product. I guess I'm just gonna move on into the BB cream since I don't really have anything else I can use. Let's just cross our fingers that this is actually my shade, because they have yet to send me a cream product that is actually my shade. They're usually at least a shade or two too dark. I mean, I think this might actually be my shade this time. Good job, BoxyCharm. And I completely forgot to grab a primer, so we're just gonna skip primer today. That is actually my shade. Impressed. It is definitely a BB cream. Definitely not full coverage, which I prefer. Like I said, I don't really love BB creams, but this one is actually not too bad. It's definitely not covering any of my freckles, or I have this blemish down here. It definitely did not cover that, but it did give me an even base. I don't see any redness coming through, so that's definitely, just gonna throw that. Definitely like this. Very surprised. It's for all types of skin. And for extra coverage, wear it under foundation. That just seems like a pointless step. It says right here, for all skin types, even sensitive. So that's good. I have sensitive skin. I'm going to quickly do the rest of my base off camera. I will come back when it is time. Well, okay. I'm going to add concealer off camera and then come back and test out this powder brush and the contour brush, which I have a feeling this is going to be more for cream products. I don't think I'm really gonna like it for powder, but we'll see, and then go from there. Also gonna do my brows real quick off camera. All right, let's give this powder brush a try. I'm going to be using the I Heart Revolution powder in the shade Peach. Very fluffy. It actually feels really nice on the skin. Definitely not mad at this brush either. Like this brush. Okay, so I'm not mad at the actual makeup products so far. Actually pleasantly surprised by how well they've all been performing at this point. So now let's give this contour brush a try. I'm going to be using the Tarte Park Avenue Princess palette, bronzing palette. And like I said, I have gotten a lot of Tarte palettes from BoxyCharm, this being one of them. First I'm going to bronze, and I'm going to do that off camera real quick. Alright, now time for contour. I don't hate it, but I prefer something a little bit more dense for contouring. I usually use this Real Techniques brush, which is pretty short and stubby compared to this one, and it's a lot denser, where this one is like it's a big difference between these two. But I don't hate it. I really think it would probably work better for cream products, but I don't wear cream bronzer very often just because I do have oily skin, and cream products are obviously, if you layer them on your face, they're going to make your oily skin worse. Now the real test is seeing if I can use these edges to contour out my nose, because that is normally what I do with this. I just take the edge and bam, done, quick and easy. Not looking very promising. This is not working very well. It works pretty well for under the lip, but I probably will never use this on my nose again. I'm going to quickly go off camera to do my blush and my highlight. And now it is time for eyeshadow. And apparently for my cats to go psycho. So if you hear them running around and my male cat whining a lot, sorry for that. Can't really do anything about it. I just realized I probably should have used this concealer brush to apply my concealer. Oh well. So I'm going to start by taking this highlighter brush that I got, and I'm going to start by taking Chic, this very light pinky shade, and just pop that into the crease. for a transition shade. It's not really doing a whole lot. Now I'm going to go into Mod, this more like pinky, purpley, maroony shade. I don't really know. And focus that more on the inner crease, keeping it lower than I went with that first shade. I think I want to go even deeper on that outer corner, so now I'm going to go into Drama, this more maroony purple shade. And I'm going to keep that closer to the lash line and just in that outer crease. And I really like this brush, this highlighting brush, for a blending brush. I think it works really well, so definitely gonna be one of my new favorite blending brushes. I'm going to take this last eyeshadow brush that I have here and dip into the shade Glam, this shimmery, the only light shimmery shade there really is. And I'm going to pop that on my lid. Ooh, that is pretty. This brush is actually doing a very good job at packing on that pigment. Now I'm going to line my lips with that Boxyluxe pencil I got in the shade Pouty. Not my favorite lip liner I've ever used, but I mean, it got the job done. Now I'm just going to quickly go off camera and finish up my lips and pop on some mascara and lashes. So I just did, I just went ahead and applied some mascara to my upper lashes on this eye, and I realized I never did my lower lash line, so I'm just going to go back in with that shade Mod, the second shade we used, and I'm just going to run that along the lower lash line. And now I'm going to go back in with that highlighting brush and the shade Chic, the very first shade, and just run that along below where we put that other shade. And make sure to tie it in with the upper lid. And now back to mascara. Alright, lashes and lips are done. And I also realized I never used this recovery treatment oil, and honestly I don't know what it is or what it does, so I'm not too mad that I didn't use it. But it comes in this little dropper bottle, so I'm assuming it's just like a face oil. So now it's time to add everything up. The Kylie Skin Foaming Face Wash is $24. The Purelisse Beauty BB Cream is $35. Tulsa Eye Balm is $28. The Tarte Palette is $49. The Essential Oils were $40. The brush set from Billion Dollar Brows is $55. A little pricey, but okay. This stuff that I don't know what it is and I didn't even use, $82. That is insane in my opinion. And yeah, it's just a face oil, so $82 for oil. And lastly, the Boxyluxe lip pencil set was $28. So that brings the grand total to $341. I didn't hate this box. I definitely loved all of the actual makeup products that I got, but I would have much rather preferred getting any other makeup rather than these three products. I would have, like, these three products alone were like $146 between these three products. I could have gotten so much makeup for this amount of money. I don't know. I really don't know if I'm gonna keep getting BoxyLuxe. Definitely love BoxyCharm still, but that is everything that I got in my June BoxyLuxe. Let me know in the comments what you think of the products that I got. And don't forget to subscribe. Like I mentioned earlier, I'm doing a bunch of giveaways later on when I get to 100 subscribers. In particular, I will be doing a giveaway on not this exact Tarte Pro palette, but the Tarteist Pro Remix eyeshadow palette. So check out this video here, a bunch of my other videos where I talk about this giveaway. So when I get to 100 subscribers, that is where that giveaway comes in. And thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye!